Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to expand the area of your city in Build a City Community Town. You can see that this light grass is my available area in the city, but if I want to increase the area, I can find this either the darker grass, the darker water, the darker sand, or either different types of lands on different islands. And if I want to increase it, I can click just on the area I want to buy. Then I get this pop-up and I can pay 5 gold or 56,500 cash. So I'm gonna choose the cash and it's immediately increased. When I increase it, more land shows here. You can also find a new building which will help you get to another island, and I can build now my buildings here. Also, for some types of expansions, you get a chest within the expansion and you can open it and get a reward. In this case, there was no chest. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.